Hi, Vladimir here, and I would like to welcome you to the SRS TrendRider. The SRS TrendRider system is very simple, easy to understand and implement. Using it for several years now, I know it is such a powerful strategy that will change the way you know currency trading. The SRS is entirely my own development, and I have accommodated it to be used by both beginners and advanced traders. I call it hybrid forex trading because it's unlike any system you know for manual or automated trading. To find out more, read the information on this webpage. Let me tell you the story behind it. When I decided to reveal the system, I was absolutely sure that it will help traders from all levels of experience, so I was willing to put my name on the line and do a public beta testing. In fact, I was so confident that I insisted on doing it with live and with real money accounts. That way all doubts will be answered and nobody would claim it's only successful on demo. I wanted to prove that the SRS TrendRider can also solve the difficulties of live trading and produce mega pips with ease. Well, you've probably heard the results by now. British housewife with no experience of trading forex doubled her account in just 1 month. Another beta tester, a retired electrical engineer, was also able to double the money on his account with just 1 month of casual trading. We also had a conservative beta tester who used very low risk and entered just small trades, but was still able to make a 10% return on his investment with just a few minutes a day using the SRS. So this system, along with my unique money management, which I also reveal to you, has proven to have a very high success rate and large profits. Since I combined all elements together, I found the SRS to be capable of delivering even more than 100 pips per day. To ease your work with this system, I have developed 3 components which are in fact sophisticated trading tools: the SRS template, the SRS indicator, and the SRS signal. This alert tells you to get ready to apply a certain rule which, if it occurs, you can safely execute your trade. But this is not all. Since entry point is just 50% of the work, and no less important is to know how to manage your trade and when to exit. Well, from the time you execute your trade, you can definitely carry on yourself if you are an experienced trader using my two-phase money management system, or you can simply apply the trade management robot to carry on and watch the trade for you until it exits. As simple as that. This is your chance to make forex trading work for you. So go ahead and change your trading forever.